Remembering the two wars fought by the women of Manipur against the British Empire in 1904 and 1939, the Manipur government observed the 81st Nupilal Day 2020 at the Nupilal Memorial Complex in Imphal today. Chief Minister N. Birain and his cabinet colleagues paid floral tributes at Nupilal Memorial Complex. Later, Birain also inaugurated an artificial football turf at lamjingbatomtv in Imphal West. BJP Mahila Morcha today commemorated the 81st Nupilal Day at the Kaisampat Lairembi Community Hall located at Kaisampat Kaisamlaikai, Imphal. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Professor S. Tikendra, BJP Manipur and Nagaland in charge Sambit Patra, Mahila Morcha President L. Lotika and a host of party leaders were present on the occasion. Nupilal and Khongzom War Memorial Society today observed the 81st Nupilal Day at the playground of New Chekon Club in Imphal. Paying floral tributes to the photographs of Nupilal warriors was the main highlight of the program. Manipur Chief Minister today inaugurated and dedicated to the people an artificial football turf at lamjingbatomtv in Imphal. State Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukip, Education Minister S. Rajan, Patsoi Constituency MLA A.K. Mirabai, Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo, Kairao MLA L. Rameshwar, Chief Secretary Rajesh Kumar, Yash Commissioner and Director T. Fulan attended the event. 27th Sector Assam Rifles along with Assam Rifles, Kangvai Battalion and the Civic Action Program distributed antibacterial water storage tanks to 20 residents of Kangathai and Nalon village under Churachandpur district today. Staff of Manipur Farm Private Limited demonstrated the benefits of a new machine at Pangai Hautal today. The machine was jointly developed by Punjab Agriculture University and Australian International Centre for Agricultural Research in 2002. Officials of Ukhrul Police, Ukhrul Forest Department, Narcotics and Affairs of Border, NAB and 6 Manipur Rifles destroyed poppy plants yesterday at Mulnom, Songfel and Lamlai Chingfei areas under Ukhrul district. Coronavirus infections in India continue to rise, albeit at a slower pace, at a time when researchers and authorities are rushing to get a vaccine ready for rollout. A media reports that India reported 30,006 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 98.3 lakh in the world's second worst infected nation, according to the Health Ministry's update as of 8 am on December 12th. That includes nearly 93.2 lakh recoveries and more than 1.42 lakh deaths.